Hey guys, welcome back to the hangar. This is Jeremy. Today, Nate and I are going to be working on his E46 330i XI. Sorry, buddy. We have an issue today where it is overheating a little bit, and all signs point to a stuck thermostat. We've checked, and the upper radiator hose here doesn't get hot, which is generally a good indication that coolant's not flowing through the engine. So either the water pump's bad, or it's the thermostat. Thermostat is the easier, cheaper one to replace, so we're going to start there. And cross our fingers that that is actually what it is. To do our thermostat, what we're going to start by doing is way down in there you can see the fan clutch nut attached to the water pump. We're going to remove the fan clutch, remove the shroud here so that we have some access to the water pump, or thermostat, sorry, which is hiding right about here. Also, I have a couple fresh kidneys to install because his have gone AWOL. So we've got our thermostat, kidneys, a brand new fan clutch because, you know what, they're just good to replace as we've experienced on this channel. Got some coolant, and we're gonna hit this hard. I can pause the music if you want. Pause it, I'm rocking. Well, sit right here. Pulled this upper radiator hose off the thermostat housing here, and the barest tiny little dribbles of anything came out. There's nothing that's been moving through this. Even when the engine's cold, usually there's still a decent amount of fluid still in this. It's not under pressure. There's not that much, but there's just drippity drip. There's like nothing in there. So I'm definitely thinking that this is the culprit here. So we've got a couple bolts broken free already. We got a couple more to break free, then this thing will be ready to pop right off. All right, so just need to finish getting those bolts out. And I dropped the 10 mil.
You know what we could do?
In the greasy catch pan down there. I'm going to clean this mounting surface here. So the way that we opted to do this is, instead of full draining the coolant system, which is what a lot of people may tell you to do, I can tell you from experience that it's not 100% necessary. You just have to be careful to get all of the air bubbles out of the system after you're done, which really isn't hard. Bleeding is not a complex process, but it is something that a lot of people surprisingly skip.
You can't skip it on this one.
No, anything BMW, do not skip it.
An air bubble will light you up.
Where is your coolant? I need to get a dab. I want to wet the seal here before we put it in. Don't need much, just a little dab. A little more, a little more. This probably looks really dirty on the camera.
Ooh. Ooh. Put your finger into my hole.
Didn't think that one all the way through as he's holding the bottle in his crotch.
Yeah, or did I?
So in here, it wasn't bad. There's just some little scummies and grimies that are probably not helping it seal up very well. So now that that's on, or that's cleaned up a bit, we're gonna try and slide this bad boy right on here. Boom! Boom!
Just like that.
Done and done. All right, both hoses on and secure, water pump on. Feels secure. Gasket seated nicely, so plug back in. Let's do us a fan clutch. Go.
Clean. This house is clean. It's clean.
buttoned up.
Yep.
Cleaned up the tools. And we're getting ready to fire it up, top it off with coolant. And yeah, see how she does. And spinning. That's a good sign. Nothing leaking that wasn't there before. Also a good sign. So far so good. Now we clean the wing again. Let it warm up.
Yep.
Temp is still fine. And we do have warmish air coming out now at the moment. So it's moving through.
Oh, there we go. Yeah, see all the bubbles coming out? That's what we like to see.
That's a nice temp level. But yeah, I'd say cap it so you're not just wasting it. I'm gonna shut it off. Temp needle's right where it needs to be.
All right, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, these and theirs.
Careful, it's hot.
As I just drop it.
Did you just do that? Did you just do that?
I just did that.
Oh my! Oh, hey, it's right there. It's right there. It's not, you know, a day of wrenching unless you've dropped tools and parts, and we've done both now. So I'll watch you drop it again, even further.
Ha!
Nailed it. All right. So that's a success. So successful. Good day.
Great day.
Good day of wrenching. Pop that little Johnny back on. Good to go. So, general procedure for this afterwards, let it cool down all the way and then do that bleed process again, just to make sure. Air bubbles have this nasty habit of kind of shifting around the system. So, do it again a little bit later.
Drive it around,
Yep.
come back, refill it, bleed it, good to go.
Nailed it. All right, I think that's going to be a wrap on today's episode. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Thanks for watching The Hangar. Please like, please subscribe, and do not forget to hit that notification bell. We appreciate you.